guys, welcome back. Kind of dark. Try to see if I can edit the lighting, but like, you know how it is whenever you try to edit the lighting, it like gets all crazy and pixelated, so like, let's see how it goes. So I'm going to be showing you guys my Christmas sweater collection. Not necessarily ugly Christmas sweater, but just my Christmas sweater collection. I have my beautiful jingling Christmas sweaters here. Not all of them are extremely crazy, just some of them are. But let's go ahead and just start off with this shirt here, or sweater. It says Jingle All the Way. It's super cute. Just, you know, your little basic, if you're barely getting into the Christmas sweater craziness, you know, just a little intro to ugly Christmas sweaters or just Christmas themed sweaters, you know, without going too wild like the rest of us Christmas sweater gals. And then we have this little Christmas pajama thing. Yeah, just, you know, your basic plaid pajamas for Christmas. Keeping it very simple over here. You know, you don't want to wear any furry, fuzzy Christmas pajamas, so you just want to keep it simple with those. Then we got the leggings for Christmas. These have reindeer on them. I think, is it Rudolph? It is. Sure is. It is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. He had a very shiny red nose. And if you ever saw it, you may even say it glows.
I'm going home. You guys ain't cool. You're lame.
Lame?
Lame. You're nerds, geeks, creeps, and babies.
My battery died. I was supposed to have that all set to be like, oh, look at the light up thing. So sad. I think I have more batteries in my thing. This is my next ugly Christmas sweater. It's not really ugly. It's very cute still. It normally lights up along the tree, but I guess my battery died. So yeah, that's my Christmas sweater here. You guys already saw this one. This crazy thing. I still need to try it on. And then hopefully it doesn't fit, so I can tell Sarah, sorry, it didn't fit. We gotta return it. I don't know. We're gonna have to figure something else out. But yeah, this is the jumpsuit kind of thing from Target. I'm sure we've all seen it on Target's website by now. Yeah, it's everywhere. I feel like, I don't know what happened to all my sweaters, but like I feel like I'm missing a lot of sweaters and stuff. Alright, next, I haven't taken the tag off of this one too, but this one is Friends. It says Christmas is better with friends. It's not an ugly sweater, but if you're just kind of, you know, playing it a little bit, testing the water, getting into the spirit, you don't want to go too crazy, you just want to, you know, put your little toe in the water. Great sweater for that. I love this sweater so much and I'm super excited to wear it. Then you just have your little basic plaid. These are more on the furry-ish side pajama pants. Then we have our Snoopy pajama pants. Aki, Snoopy pajama pants. Like, you can't go wrong with Snoopy pajama pants. Along with that, you want to wear this fluffy pajama top. You got Snoopy, hooray for peanuts. You guys already saw this one, but I'll show it again for those of you guys who didn't watch that video. Santa Claus. And then the sleeve says, ho ho ho. Then we have this one. This is a really old sweater. I think this is like my very first Christmas sweater I ever got. I was like, you know what? I want to be a Christmas person. And then I got this sweater and then I started listening to Christmas music all year round. I've been listening to Christmas music all year round for like 3 years now, 3 or 4 years, yeah. Christmas music. Don't hate on it. Then we have these black fluffy pajama pants here. Just black, and then it says ho 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 along the leg. Oh my god, that would go great with that Santa one that says ho ho ho. But yeah, these are not comfy, I must add. They're not comfy to be in, like, ugh. Like, I'll wear them just because, you know, I got it, but like, they're not comfy. Alright, and then you guys also saw this one, Home Alone. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals. This is very cropped though, and I'm kind of concerned about it. It's an extra large, like, it's very cropped. I'm kind of concerned because we're planning on wearing it to school. And I'm like, y'all, like, do we not realize that we blow dry? And like, I'm kind of scared that it's gonna be really cropped and short. And we have this right here. I'm missing something. I know I had a sweater dress, and I know I had other sweaters. I don't know. If you guys want to see a part 2, if I find them, like, just click the like button and comment below. But yeah, this is my next one. This one's so cute. I love this one so much. Okay, I was at Target just a while ago and I saw this sweater and I was like, ooh, I want that sweater, and now I'm realizing, crap, I have it. This one was a light up sweater too. Like, you press the nose and it's supposed to light up, but I'm sure the battery died just like the other one did. I'm pretty sure majority of these are from Target. And then last, and this one's a really cute sweater I decided to get for me and my mom. It says, fa la 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 latte. Fa la 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 latte. Anyways, I had to get it for us because it's just so us, my mother and I. You know, we love our Starbucks. And we love our sweaters, and we just love being cozy with our Starbucks and our sweaters. So I had to get this for my mother and I, so we're gonna be matching. But for now, that is it for this Christmas sweater collection. I appreciate you watching very, very much. I would appreciate it more if you click the subscribe button. Also follow me on Instagram at Lisa Nicole Gomez. I just went through the things that I'll be giving away, and I want to add a little bit of more things to it. But follow me on Instagram to keep updated on my giveaway. Thank you guys very much. Have a beautiful day, and God bless.